When connecting an iButton reader, shut down the system. Turn off all external devices connected to the system. Disconnect all power cables from the system and disconnect any external devices. Connect the USB cable to the iButton reader and route the cable through the routing channel on the iButton reader. Connect the iButton reader USB cable to a USB-A port on the system or hub. Reconnect the power cables and external devices and turn on the system. The LED light on the iButton reader will turn yellow when it's connected to the system or hub. The LED light on the iButton reader will turn green when data is being transferred. The LED light on the iButton reader will turn red when there is an error.